how good it feels being close to nature, right? The freshness, the breezy air, the melody of chirps, and so much more. Now imagine waking up every day to it. Welcome to Provident Ecopolitan at Namma Bengaluru, a place that defines the vibe where dreams come true. Located in the hotspots of North Bengaluru near Bagaluru, we are situated in close proximity to the Kempe Gowda International Airport in Aerospace Park. Don't worry, we can assure you that the chances of you missing your flights are less likely. North Bengaluru is the next hotspot for businesses with multiple research and development, aerospace, automobiles and pharmaceutical companies setting up shop that currently employs over 5 lakh Bengalurians. We are looking at around 3,50,000 new job opportunities arising by 2025. The commercial growth of North Bengaluru has pushed up its residential catchment potential. In the micro market, there is an increase in demand of residential apartments to the scale of around 197% from 2020 to 2022. Research also shows that Bengaluru International Airport Area Planning Authority region, which currently employs around 35,000 individuals, is on a fast track to becoming India's first aerotropolis development with an increasing demand for satellite offices and residential units. BIAAPA region alone is expected to employ around 2,50,000 individuals by 2030. Additionally, the push on infrastructural development in North Bengaluru, including the peripheral ring road and the satellite town ring road, will further improve the connectivity in this region and to other IT hubs. Recently, the leading Taiwanese electronics manufacturer, Foxconn, which manufactures iPhones, is setting up a new factory near KIA, which is expected to create around 1 lakh jobs. Ecopolitan is at the heart of numerous companies like Shell, Autoliv, Boeing, SAP Labs within minutes of our premises in Aerospace Park, and only a 20 to 35 minute drive to IT parks like Ecopolis, L&T Tech Park, Kirloskar Business Park and Manyata Tech Park, accessible via wide roads. The project is well connected through major highways with the likes of NH44, SH104 and New Airport Road. Slated to become a hub of innovation and growth, Ecopolitan is designed to define a space where there's something for more, featuring state-of-the-art eco-friendly and sustainable features. But what further sets this place apart is the proximity of social infrastructure that you will be surrounded by. From upcoming shopping complexes at a walking distance in the vicinity to the likes of Elements Mall, Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru, the Galleria Mall and Phoenix Mall of Asia, you're in the closest vicinity of the most vibrant neighborhoods in Bengaluru. Oh, and let's not even get started on the weekends, whether you're looking for thrilling adventure or some laid-back entertainment. You can take your pick from a wide range of options, from go-karting at Miko Kartopia, indoor sports arena at Accelerate, to flying a microflight at the Jakkur Aerodrome, to catching a relaxing weekend at resorts like Clarks Exotica, or spending a fun night at Club Cabana. You can also leave your health worries aside, as world-class hospitals like Manipal Hospital, Aster CMI, Sidecare and more have got you covered. Ecopolitan is also the perfect location for the youth to live in a thriving and vibrant community with access to all the essential and top educational institutes like DPS Bangalore North, Air Force School, Vidyashilp Academy to Reva Institute of Technology, Christu Jayanti College and Brindavan Group of Institutions. If I haven't convinced you enough, let's not forget the Phase 2A and 2B of the Bengaluru Metro connecting Central Silpur, KR-Puram and Kempe Gowda International Airport. Expected to be operational by 2025, enhancing connectivity and convenience. With the perfect location, eco-friendly features and a wealth of upcoming developments, this property isn't just a home, it's a gateway to the future.
Provident, more for sure.